This is a song called The Woodpecker. It's very new, actually. I just wrote it. And I woke up one morning, I don't know if you've ever heard this, but if you've ever heard a woodpecker bang against metal, it's really loud and very aggressive. And I woke up one morning, I was like, oh my God, that's a woodpecker just banging, bang, 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 bang. And then later that day, I'm upstairs in my room and my windows are all open, and all of a sudden I'm sitting there and I go to start playing some piano and I hear this very soft like tap, 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 tap. And I realize it's this woodpecker outside my window on a tree. And I was like, oh my God, this morning he was banging his head against metal and he finally found a tree. And it was a really lovely moment. And I realized, people, we humans are very similar, right? We sometimes you got to bang your head against the metal. And then a couple of times, and then you finally find the nice soft tree that has good things inside. So that's what this song is about. This is The Woodpecker.
What do you suppose the birds say when they twitter back and forth? Are they asking, are you okay? Or what is all this for? Do you think they ever want more? There's that woodpecker I woke up to this morning, banging on the trailer in the front yard. Now he's knocking on that tree. Sleep tonight. Isn't it remarkable how we're ever changing? We learn from our mistakes, just trying to find what feels alright. There's that little voice within me, and I know it knows what's best. But as the years pass by, it dampened, buried underneath the noise of all the rest. So I close my eyes and listen, and it drowns out all the sound. No need to know where I am headed, long as I guide my 2 feet. Tonight, isn't it remarkable how we're ever changing? We learn from our mistakes, just trying to find what feels take a couple tries, knocking against the shiny metal before I realize it's hollow on the inside. So when I find a tree that's bark is somehow strong and supple, I'll tap ever so gently and find it.